Imagine a world where websites come alive with animations, videos, and interactive games. That's what Macromedia Flash, later known as Adobe Flash, did for the internet. It was like a magical tool that made web browsing a whole lot more exciting and interactive. Flash started out in 1996 as Future Splash Animator, a software that allowed people to create animations using vectors. These animations could be played back on any web browser with the Flash plugin installed. Over time, Flash got even cooler with the introduction of ActionScript, which let developers add interactivity and functionality to their creations. This opened up a whole new world of possibilities, from online games to interactive websites. By 2010, Flash was everywhere. Most web browsers had it installed by default, and you could see all sorts of amazing content built with Flash, from animated cartoons to immersive games. It was like having a virtual playground right on your computer screen. But like all good things, Flash had its downsides. It was a resource hog, which means it used up a lot of computer power and quickly drained batteries on laptops. It also had security issues that made it vulnerable to attacks from malware. Some devices, like Apple's iPhone, didn't support Flash at all. And as new technologies like HTML5 came along with their own multimedia features, Flash started to lose its shine. In 2020, Adobe officially ended support for the Flash plugin. But fear not, for Flash didn't disappear completely. It transformed into Adobe Animate, a tool that now supports HTML5, WebGL, and SVG animation output. So while we say goodbye to Flash as we knew it, its spirit lives on in the ever-evolving world of web design and multimedia. Oh, and did you know that Flash can also refer to flash memory? It's a type of storage that's used in many devices, like USB drives and smartphones. Erasing a flash memory cell is often called flashing the memory. It's like wiping the slate clean and starting fresh. Cool, right?